Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration and first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. So we have the formula in here. We have the function f of s equals to the integral from a to b, and we have f of t dt. So if we do first derivative, we need to do first derivative of b, and later that the value of the bounds will put inside f of t, so you got about f of b. Later that, because this is about the bottom, so we need to have the negative sign here. So we do first derivative of a multiplied by f of a. Now let's go to this one. So if we do first derivative, we will do first derivative of s. Later that the value of s will change for t, and you got about s to the power of 3 minus first derivative of number 5 multiplied by 5 to the power of 3. We simplify and you got about s to the power of 3. After we got s to the power of 3 in here, we can put negative number 5 go in here, and we got the final answer. That's about negative 125. This is the end. Thank you for watching.